na yung i-review natin. Coffee machine ko na. So I'm gonna have a review right now. So I have this. Guys! Ang laki. Ito yung guys, Nescafe Dulce Gusto. Gusto. I bought this before 2 years ago. So as you can see guys, I'm a coffee lover, and then any coffee, maybe like 3 to 5 times a cup of coffee, I usually drink every day. So we will see guys, and we will review about this Dulcegusto coffee machine. And I bought this guys before, it's like 799 Saudi riyals, and now, and we checked yesterday at Sako, and the price is 1,300 maybe, or 1,100 maybe, like.
Sa akin, yung red pala to, yung price 1,700.
As you can see guys, for now, here in Saudi, they have already this 15% VAT for all those products. So this machine guys, this coffee machine, it is automatic machine. So the model of this machine is a drop, because as you can see guys, the design of this machine is like a drop. Once a drop of a coffee, then once it bounces up again, it's like a drop. And as you can see, the head of this is like the drop, it bounces up again. So that's why that style is, the model itself, it called a drop. And then guys, this machine is it has a high pressure pump delivering up to 15 bars. So usually guys, is once you make a coffee, it's literally hot, and it's just like you're in a coffee shop, and it's good, and it's very hot. Then the next guys is the perfect pressure for each beverage. So meaning in every capsules, it measures the exact hot water amount. So it's like they serve, or this machine serve the exact amount of water, the hot water itself. And then next is this care keep your machine clean. The next guys is it has a hot and cold selection. So meaning you're gonna choose, it's either a cold coffee or a hot coffee. So I usually guys, upon I woke up in the morning, I usually make a hot coffee, because before I start my daily routine, I usually prepare my coffee, and then it's like so quick if you're gonna use this machine, the coffee machine, the drop machine, the Nescafe Dulce Gusto. The next guys, I have these 2 boxes of capsules intended only for the Dulcegusto coffee machine. And yesterday guys, I went to Sako, and Sako guys is like an IKEA store, and I bought this yesterday, and it cost like about 52 riyals. In one box it has 16 capsules.
Yun pala, ito nakita ko na yun, espresso, grand espresso. Yun grand. Ito lang kunin ko guys, yung espresso tsaka yung grand intenso. Tapos tingnan natin sa kwarto ko bukas, gawin ko ito para ma-demo ko sa inyo kung paano gagawin yung coffee ko dun, yung Dulce Gusto ko.
By the way guys, we will open this guys so that you can see what the capsules looks like. This is espresso. So, and the other one guys is, it is the Grand Intense. So we will see.
Open eye, feel the waves.
It's in the box. See guys? As you can see. So guys, I will let you show how to prepare the Dulcegusto Nescafe coffee machine.
Last forever.
is the button, the power button, and then it started. And then guys, this is the level of the selection of the capsules that is indicated in each capsules. So as you can see guys, if you're gonna use the full, it is indicated in the Grande Intenso, these capsules, right? As you can see, this is the instruction. So once it's gonna be full, you just put it full, and it is touch, so it's full. So, and that's it. And guys, that guys, and that guys, this is the red, the hot button, and the blue one is the cold button. So guys, this guys is the water level, if it's gonna be full or it's gonna be like empty already. So this is the water. So I'm gonna release this one so that you will see. Guys, this is the level of water. See, as you can see. So guys, this is the water. Then just gonna be like again to sleep again, and then. But guys, this is removable. The dripping tray. The first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. For the espresso. So I have a cup here guys, example for the espresso. So you're gonna use this one, right? So if you want a cappuccino, you're gonna use this one, this level, right? So if you want the big one, you can remove this and then use this big mug. So that's it. It's simple as that. So now guys, we will try the Gran Intenso, because I want to drink coffee right now, because after 2 hours I will go Julie. So this is the Grande Intenso. So we will start. You remove this one guys, and then put this capsule here, and then you insert again, and then before guys, you will check first the level of the coffee or the hot water you're gonna be press on it. So you just put this in here and then insert and close. It has a magnet itself, so close. And then you will select. So what is indicated there in the capsule. So you're gonna put it full. For me guys, I'm gonna pour first in a 5 level. So we will start guys, and I will press the button, the hot button. So it started already. It's a little bit noisy, but it's okay. See guys. It's a Grande Intenso, and the aroma guys, it smells good then. There you go. Good. Guys, ito na po yung coffee natin, yung Gran Intenso. Ito po. And then yun, para sa unang sip ng coffee, para sa inyo po to.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
Alam nyo guys, ang bango dito. Yung aroma ng coffee, napakabango, grabe. Napakabango guys.
Open
Kasi after an hour, mag-prepare na ako kasi duty ako mamaya. Kasi today is Friday. Yung duty mo ngayon kasi guys is from 4 or 4:30 to 10:30 ng gabi or 10. Yung duty ko ngayon kasi overtime tayo ngayon kasi Friday. So guys, sa Saudi pala guys, yung weekend nila dito is Friday and Saturday. Kaya yun, duty tayo para meron tayong pang capsules, pang coffee capsule ba. Diba? Parating gising tayo pag bagong mag-duty. Diba? Coffee lover tayo. Diba? Guys, salamat pala yung guys sa nagda-like tsaka nagkulimbang na nag-iwan ng bakas sa mga vlogs ko. So guys, thank you guys and see you in my next vlog!
I'm surrendering.